in barrier number 7. Inside gate, Vela Fox. Kenny Hill's drawn the outside, barrier 9. We're moving up. Up goes Zethus. So Zethus has gone in. Direct Kahawati to come forward. Master of Disguise. Yam has a white cap here to distinguish it from the stablemate. Big Day Out. Big Day Out in the red cap. Yam and the white cap. So they're moving up pretty well. Up goes Yam. Big Day Out to come forward with Kenny Hill, Master of Disguise, and Tap and Run. Big Day Out. Number 5 is having start number 84 today, the 8-year-old gelding. Last start winner at Balranald. So 2 to move up, Tap and Run, Kenny Hill. 240 the favourite, Master of Disguise. 480 Kenny Hill. $5 about Yam. Kenny Hill, the SDRA Championship winner from earlier in the year. Won the Albury Guineas here early in his career. And he goes in, Kenny Hill. They're all set for the Twilight Open Handicap. Red light comes on at the 11.75. 9 going around. Gates open. They're racing. Kenny Hill was slow. And away to a great start, Kahawati, the favourite, Master of Disguise, is showing plenty of pace with Big Day Out. They're going very fast early on. 3 lengths, Kahawati, followed by Zethus, and Kenny Hill is rushing up to about 3rd placing now. Yam is going to settle in the back half of the field, covered up by Direct, and they're followed by Vela Fox, 2 to Tap and Run, Master of Disguise, 700 to go. Just has the lead from Big Day Out. 2.5 to Kenny Hill, who's got into a nice position, being followed by Direct, Zethus the inside. Then Kahawati. Yam's a fair way off the pace. Then Vela Fox and Tap and Run. 500 to go. And Big Day Out goes up to Master of Disguise. Direct's coming with a run, and behind them Kenny Hill is poised. They're followed by Zethus, and Yam is about 5 lengths off them. 300 metres to go. Master of Disguise and Big Day Out are fighting it out from Kenny Hill. Yam starting to come with a run, and so too is Zethus. Zethus is going for back-to-back wins here at Albury. Comes after Master of Disguise. And then Big Day Out followed by Yam. Zethus goes up to Master of Disguise. Then Vela Fox. Yam coming late. It's Zethus in front, and Zethus has won it from Master of Disguise and Vela Fox. And then came Yam, followed by Tap and Run. Behind them, Big Day Out, being followed by Kahawati. Kenny Hill dropped out of it in company with Direct. Zethus makes it back-to-back wins here at Albury. We'll pay $10.90. New South Wales has beaten the favoured Master of Disguise. And behind them was Vela Fox, and then came Yam. So another top ride by Josh Richards there. Zethus drew 2 today and has weaved a passage close to the inside and has got up to win it from Master of Disguise. Vela Fox is there for 3rd, and Yam looks to have run 4th in front of Tap and Run. Wait on those numbers to be semaphored. Zethus 9 over number 7 Master of Disguise, and Vela Fox number 4, and behind them was Yam 6 and 1 Tap and Run. The winner number 9 Zethus. The 7-year-old bay gelding by Exceed Excel out of Melpomene, an elusive quality mare, owned by a syndicate, headed by P.J. Smith, Peter Smith, the trainer at Seymour. Josh Richards in the saddle, racing in terrific form, makes it back-to-back wins at good odds here at Albury. And it's win number 5 at start number 41. Has won it over number 7. Master of Disguise, the favourite, Dale Cole for Danielle Seib at Canberra. 4-year-old mare by Extravagant. And for 3rd there was number 4, Vela Fox. Pierre Boudvillain for Gratzvilla at Canberra. 7-year-old gelding by Fox Wedge. 4th is a photo. Looks to be possibly number 6 Yam in front of number 1 Tap and Run. So just wait on these interim numbers to be semaphored. Zethus has come through in the centre. Master of Disguise and Big Day Out went hard in the lead.